On this day, Quacky and Kiki came along to participate in the volcano exploration activity at the Science and Technology Museum.
Hi! Let's make a volcano! Paper cup. Clay. Color the volcano. And then add some decorations. The volcano is done!
Next, add these materials to the crater of the volcano. Baking soda, red paint, detergent, white vinegar,
Wow! The volcano erupted! Astic!
Well, that's pretty impressive. However, compared to a real volcanic eruption, this is nothing.
Really?
Let's go to the volcano exhibition hall. Let's watch a volcano eruption.
The thick volcanic ash blocks the sunlight.
The hot magma causes a wildfire. Volcano spews out a lot of hot magma.
The volcanic eruption is so cool!
Although the volcanic eruption is spectacular, it is also very dangerous.
But why does the volcano erupt?
He decided to become a teacher of volcano science. Kids, why do you think the volcano erupts? The volcano gets angry. The magma rushes out of the Earth's crust. A mountain catches fire and becomes a volcano.
I guess that the volcano is angry. It spews out its fury.
The volcano gets angry.
Who got it right?
Let's go to the Earth's Interior Experience Center to know the answer. Kiki and Quacky arrive at the Earth's Interior Experience Center. Push the lever and head for the interior of the Earth. This is the outermost layer of Earth's crust, made up of hard rocks.
The ground we usually step on is the Earth's crust.
You're right!
Phew! Why is it getting hotter and hotter?
Here is the mantle layer. The temperature here is very high.
It's so hot inside the Earth.
It's about to get even hotter.
Wow, what's that?
This is the Earth's core, the very center of the Earth. And it's as hot as the surface of the sun.
Amazing!
Did you notice that? The structure of the Earth is like an egg.
Like an egg? How is that possible?
Cut open the egg and you'll see. Let's cut the egg open. Let's compare. Where does the Earth's crust look like an egg?
Eggshell!
You're right. The crust only takes up a thin layer of the Earth. Where does the mantle look like an egg?
Egg white.
finally, it comes to the innermost core of the Earth. Which part of the egg does it look like?
Egg yolk. So this is what the interior of the Earth looks like, just like a boiled egg. Hey! But does a volcanic eruption have anything to do with this?
Take your time. Let's go to the mantle layer. Look what happens when all these rocks turn into magma.
Clack! The rocks are melting! This is super hot!
The melted rocks. These magmas gather together. The magma is crowded in the magma chamber, and the pressure is increasing. The Earth's crust is about to be burst open by the ever-gathering magma. Look! The magma is breaking through the cracks in the Earth's crust. The magma and gas rush out of the ground. This is a volcanic eruption.
So that's how it is!
Now, do we understand what causes a volcanic eruption? A volcano gets angry. The crust, a mountain catches fire and becomes a volcano. Not this one. Think again.
That's it! It's because there is very hot magma under the ground, and the magma rushes through the Earth's crust and spews out of the ground. This is called a volcanic eruption.
Quacky now understands why a volcano erupts. Do you get it, kids? Lesson complete! Let's go learn more about the volcano.